The Strait of Hormuz, a narrow choke point for 20% of the world's oil, is now the center of the most dangerous maritime standoff of the modern era. Iran's Revolutionary Guards have transformed this vital waterway into a militarized zone. Naval mines around Karg Island, kamikaze drones, high-speed attack boats operating in darkness. Tehran's strategy is calculated: control the strait, control the world's energy lifeline, and gain maximum leverage at the negotiating table. But Iran's trap may be backfiring badly. Washington's answer has been overwhelming. 2 nuclear-powered aircraft carriers, USS George W. Bush and USS Abraham Lincoln, are now operating simultaneously in the region. Together, they carry over 150 advanced fighter jets capable of dismantling Iran's coastal defenses within minutes. That's not all. 23 B-52, B-1, and B-2 heavy bombers have been deployed to RAF Fairford in the United Kingdom. B-2 stealth bombers carrying bunker-busting munitions have already struck 3 underground Revolutionary Guard missile facilities. A major strategic missile depot has been completely destroyed. Iran has never suffered this level of infrastructure loss in a single campaign. The United Kingdom has broken its strategic silence with striking force. The RFA Lime Bay, with unmanned mine-hunting vessels, has been dispatched to clear Iran's deadly minefields. Operating alongside is HMS Anson, a nuclear-powered submarine, positioned silently off Iran's southern coastline. These 2 assets are operating in seamless coordination, Anson detecting threats from the deep, Lime Bay neutralizing them from the surface. When merged with the 2 American carrier groups, this coalition represents an almost unstoppable naval force. France's nuclear carrier Charles de Gaulle and Italy's Its Cavour are positioned in the eastern Mediterranean. Officially defensive but fully armed, European leaders have signaled they won't enter the conflict at the opening stage. However, if Iran crosses critical red lines, attacking Cyprus again, targeting civilian shipping with ballistic missiles, Europe's cautious posture could shift dramatically and rapidly. President Trump issued a clear ultimatum: reopen the Strait of Hormuz unconditionally by April 6. If Iran refuses, massive airstrikes targeting its energy infrastructure and power grid will follow. A 5,000 marine amphibious operation targeting Karg Island is also on the planning table. Iran's leadership is standing on burning ground. Back down and lose face. Fight back and face the most devastating military response in the Islamic Republic's history. Brent crude is already trading near $115 per barrel. A full military escalation wouldn't just redraw Middle Eastern borders. It would shatter the global energy market and send shockwaves through every economy on Earth. The world is watching. The deadline is here. Will Iran blink or gamble everything on one final desperate move?